What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, I made up my mind. I said in October I'm gonna start dropping more content, man. So today we're gonna start with an unboxing and then we're gonna go into something else. But hold on one second, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Came in today. Hold on. All right, so yeah, I saved the time of all that box opening because it'd be hard doing it with one hand. But let's see, man. Pretty much if you seen this, you know it's something to do with Scar. That's not what's in here, but it got to do with some audio. So let's see what we got going on. Oh, we got this. Let's see. I thought it was kind of heavy. All right, we got some amp wire. What it is, 1200. Yeah, I went on and ordered some amp wire from Scar because the little wire I got in my car now, I ain't really like it. I wanted to upgrade. Plus, I was using a used amp somebody gave me. I just wanted to upgrade the wire, so we got that. And we got this. Let me see what it say. It's a RP 800. Class D mono block amp. So I'm gonna cut this open. Give me a second. Let me open this up and cut y'all back on. Okay, we back. Opened up the box. There was a box inside the box. This is what we got. 800 watt RMS. You see that? What it does at 40, 20, and 10. Scar Audio. I've been rocking with them for a little bit, so we're gonna see how they work. Caution: do not mount amp close to sub. Yeah, my bag. I ended up getting it open. It's a one-hand bandit. They had a box inside of a box, man. But this is nice, bro. This look real good. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is real good. Let me see. Real good. So we're gonna install this guy. It look nice. We're gonna install this guy here instead of that old thing I had. Had an old dual amp that I just found just to see. You know what I'm saying? Got the setup on there. On that side. I mean, you know, to turn it up, turn it down. That go for your speak, you know, your speakers, 2 speakers you're gonna put in there with your subwoofers, power, ground, all that. I am not an audio professional, but I can do anything I put my mind to, you hear me? So that's what we got on that. Those are gonna be powering, they're gonna be powering this. Y'all know I had these 8s, I bought these 8s. These are gonna be powering the 8s. I ain't putting too much pressure in there. If I wanted to go 12s, I could. So that's why I got a little 1200. I mean, 1200, I think it was. Anyway, it'll be able to do some 12s if I wanted to. So just wanted to show you guys this. This is what I got, came in today. Actually, hold on, I'll show you another thing. Y'all didn't see this. But anyway, I had got this in another day. Electric fan cover. I got this from Dixie Restorations. I like it. Make it look way better in the engine bay, dog. And I got something else coming in. Like I said, I be having a lot of stuff coming in, but I just don't be recording. Because at that time, I really went in the recording phase. I was just trying to do stuff. So, but now we're gonna do what this video says we're about to do. We're gonna wake up the monster. It's been a while since I crunked this car up. Matter of fact, it's been a while. It's been a long time. It's been some months, you know what I'm saying? But just hold on one second. Like I was saying, it's been a while since I crunked this car up. It's been some months. You know, I don't know, man. Just sometimes, I don't be feeling like driving. I don't feel like dealing with it, you know what I'm saying? Not saying that it's like a problem or anything, but I just don't be feeling like dealing with it sometimes. It was hot. I don't have AC in this mall, and it was hot as a fool out here. You hear me? It was hot as a fool out here. I ain't feel like doing the Rick Ross with the towel and all that. I ain't feel like doing that. But seeing as it's October and it's cool, dog, I think that I can do a little riding, you know what I'm saying? I think that I can do a little riding. So we about to wake up the monster, man. I checked the fluids. Checked the fluids, checked everything, pumped up the tires. Cause before, them tires was flat like a fool, boy. You hear me? That's how long it's been sitting. I ain't even want y'all to see it down bad like that. I ain't want y'all to see it down bad like that. But today we gonna crank up the monster, man. We cranking up the monster today. So y'all just hold tight. Give me a minute. Let me set up, and we're gonna get this thing jumping. Yeah. Oh yeah. We got the keys. Everything hooked up. We're gonna grab this. You know what that's going on. You know how it go. Yeah. Light on, so you know we got power. You know what I'm saying? I already took the lock off. You see it over there? Hey, you gotta let them know. So I'm trying to see. Should I let you guys see the front? See the front view? You know what I'm saying? Head up here or the bike. You feel me? I think I'm gonna set y'all up on a tripod. Give me a second, cause we waking the monster up. See that tripod? Sound good. We here. We here. I'm gonna back it up and stuff like that. Just give me a minute. So yeah. Old girl run cool. I mean run quiet. As always, run like a sewing machine. And it's been months since I crunk it up. You can't beat that fuel injection. You ain't gotta do no gas pumping. All you do is let that fuel hit that top, let them injectors prime. That's it. You know what I'm saying? It don't take long. Got this sorry Intellitronic gauge in here. This coming out in the future. I'm going to Dakota Digital for sure. And I'm gonna sell this. It ain't bad, I just don't like it no more. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to let y'all guys, you know what I'm saying, let y'all get a video, give y'all some content today, show y'all that the monster has been awakened. The monster has been awoken. The monster is awake. So you know what that means. We finna be outside, make some videos outside, and I'm gonna bring them to you guys. Hey, it's up from here. So hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, or subscribe, then like and comment. You feel me? On this video, dog. I got more videos coming, as I always say. Sometimes them shops get backed up and you don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, and we out. Let's go. Go on and click that subscribe button for me, my boy.